Hello. Welcome to Modern Cut Hair Studio. Do you have an appointment today?
Hi, no, I don't. I was just passing by. Are you busy?
It's your lucky day. Someone just canceled. Please have a seat.
Great, thank you.
So, what would you like today? A trim or a whole new style?
Just a simple trim, please. I want to keep the same style, just make it shorter.
You got it. How much should I take off the top?
Not too much, maybe about an inch. I'm trying to grow it a bit.
An inch is perfect. And for the sides, would you prefer clippers or scissors?
I'm not sure. Whatever looks cleaner. I just want it neat.
Scissors will give a more natural look. I'll start slowly, and you can tell me if it's okay.
That sounds good. I always get nervous it'll end up too short.
I understand. We'll go step by step. No surprises. Would you like me to wash your hair first?
No, a dry cut is fine, thank you.
Great. Let me put the cape around you. By the way, this is your first time here?
Yes, it is. This is a really nice salon.
Thank you. We try to make everyone feel at home.
I definitely feel comfortable. Thanks for being so helpful.
My pleasure. All right, ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Let's get started. Just relax.
Good morning. Everything here looks so fresh and colorful.
Good morning. Thank you. We picked everything from our farm just yesterday.
That's wonderful. I have a question about these apples. What kind are they?
Those are Honeycrisp apples. They're very sweet and crunchy, perfect for eating fresh.
They sound delicious. Are they good for baking a pie?
They work fine, but if you want the best pie, I recommend the Granny Smith apples over there.
The green ones? Aren't they really sour?
They're a bit sour, yes, but that's exactly what you want for baking. Once you add sugar, the flavor becomes perfect.
Oh, I understand. That's a great tip. Thank you.
No problem at all. I've been baking pies for 30 years.
Then you're definitely the expert. I'll trust your advice. How much are the Granny Smith apples?
They're $3 per pound.
Okay, can I get about 2 pounds, please?
Sure thing. I'll grab a bag for you. Is that everything?
Yes, that's everything. Thank you.
Your total is $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your baking.
I will. Thanks again for the great advice.
Anytime. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, Mr. Jones. And hello, Rocky. Come on in.
Good morning, Dr. Chen. Rocky's a little nervous today.
Don't worry, buddy. We'll take good care of you. So, is this just a regular checkup?
Yes, it's time for his yearly exam, but I also have a small question.
Of course. Let's get him on the exam table first. What's going on?
He hasn't been eating much for the past 2 days.
I see. Has he been drinking water normally?
Yes, he drinks plenty of water. He just doesn't seem interested in his food.
Okay, let me take a look and see what's happening.
Good morning. Welcome to Carolina Fitness. How can I help you today?
Hi, I live nearby, and I'm interested in joining your gym.
That's great to hear. We always love welcoming new members. Would you like to ask a few questions first or take a tour?
I have a few questions. How much is the monthly membership?
Our standard membership is $40 a month, which gives you full access to all cardio and weight equipment.
Okay. Do you offer fitness classes, like yoga?
Yes, we do. We have a premium membership for $60 a month that includes all classes.
That sounds interesting. What are your hours? I sometimes work late.
We're open 24 hours during the week and from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. on weekends.
24 hours? That's amazing! That works perfectly with my schedule.
We try to make it convenient for everyone. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Is there a contract, or can I pay month to month?
No contract at all. You can cancel anytime. We like to keep things simple.
You really do have an answer for everything. This seems like a great gym.
We're proud of it. Would you like to take that tour now? I can show you the yoga studio.
Yes, I'd love to see it.
Great. Follow me. The weight room is on your left, and just past it is our cardio cinema.
A cardio cinema? What's that?
You can watch a movie on a big screen while you run on the treadmill.
Wow, that's such a cool idea. And this is the yoga studio.
Yes, the next class starts in about an hour.
It's beautiful and so peaceful. Okay, I'm convinced. I'd like to sign up for the premium membership.
Excellent choice. Let's head back to the front desk and get you signed up.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like a drip coffee, an espresso, or a latte?
Just a regular coffee, please. Black.
Great. That's our drip coffee. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like any room for milk or sugar?
No, thank you. Just black.
Got it. One medium black coffee. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please. I'm walking a lot today.
Are you visiting New York?
Yes, it's my first day here.
Welcome. Where are you visiting from?
I'm from Spain.
Wonderful. We get lots of visitors.
Your city is beautiful, but it's very windy.
Yes. That's why we call it the Windy City.
I am cold too, so this will warm me up.
It definitely will. Your total comes down to $350.
Here you go.
Thank you, and enjoy your day in New York.
I sure will.
Well, I hoped you guys enjoyed this video, and hey, if you haven't watched part 1, go ahead and watch if you thought this video was good. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!